Perform the indicated operations. -2 minus the quantity 5 minus 17 plus -6. We'll need to use the order of operations, which states to work within grouping symbols first. We have parentheses that contain a difference, so we'll evaluate that difference first. We have -2 minus 5 minus 17, which is -12. And then we're adding -6. Now we perform addition and subtraction from left to right. Let's first rewrite that first subtraction as addition using the definition of subtraction. We have -2 minus -12, which is plus +12, plus -6. Now we add. We'll begin with the first two terms. -2 plus 12 is 10, so we have 10 plus -6, which is equal to 4.